Are you interested in cryptocurrencies but don't have the time or experience for active trading? Bramridge Trust offers a simple solution. This is a fully automated platform designed to make investing much easier. Thanks to advanced technology, the entire trading process runs without manual intervention, significantly reducing daily effort. Setup takes only a few minutes, after which the system operates independently. By registering through the link in the description, you gain access to all features as well as an exclusive bonus. Bramridge Trust is more than just a crypto tool. It is a comprehensive solution for simple and efficient wealth management. Whether you are a beginner or already have experience with manual trading, the platform provides a clear and intuitive environment without complicated steps. The AI system operates 24/7, monitoring the market and analyzing price movements in real time. Based on this data, it automatically adjusts strategies and executes trades. Everything is aligned with your settings. You only define your goals and risk level, while the system handles portfolio management and continuous optimization. The welcome bonus is activated automatically upon registration via the special link. A key advantage is its self-learning AI. Unlike traditional bots, it continuously adapts to market changes and improves its strategies over time. This increases accuracy even during volatile market conditions. It works like a personal analyst making rational, emotion-free decisions around the clock. Security is also a top priority. The platform complies with KYC and AML standards and uses modern encryption technologies to protect user data and assets. All information is stored in a secure cloud environment. Registration is quick and simple, and beginner-friendly support ensures an easy start. Important: the bonus is only available when registering through the provided link. Bramridge Trust is designed for long-term wealth building, not short-term gains. It is ideal for those seeking stable returns, portfolio diversification, and more efficient investment management. Currently, all benefits are available for a limited time only, so early registration is recommended. The underlying technology is based on advanced models that process large amounts of market data in real time, including historical prices, market sentiment, and current trends. This enables consistent and well-informed decision-making even during high market volatility. Crypto investing doesn't have to be complicated. Let Bramridge Trust handle the technical side while you focus on your goals. Register now via the link in the description and claim your limited-time welcome bonus.